So today we will deal with what? That is solution of quadratic equation using formula. Now general quadratic equation, that is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the solution of the quadratic equation, that is x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. As for example, question number 1, it is given that you have to find the values of x using the formula. So 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Now it is given 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. We can also split this one by middle term factor. But here it is said that determine the values of x using formula. So here first of all we will determine a. A is what? 2. B is minus 7 and C, that is 6. Comparing this one with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A, that is 2, B minus 7, C, that is 6. Now we will use the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal to minus b, that is minus 7 plus or minus root over b square minus 7 the whole square minus 4a, that is 2, c is 6 by 2 into a, that is 2. Okay. So here 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. So a is 2, b is minus 7, c is 6. So x equal to what? Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus, in place of b we will write minus 7 plus or minus root over b square minus 7 the whole square minus 4 a, that is 2, c is 6 by 2, a is again 2. So here we will get x equal to 7 plus or minus root over, this is 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 into 4, 48, 8 into 6, that is 48 by 4. So x equal to 7 plus or minus root over 1 by 4, x equal to 7 plus 1 by 4, x equal to 7 minus 1 by 4, x equal to 8 by 4, x equal to 6 by 4, x equal to 2, x equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So this is quite simple. Okay. We can use middle term factor also as well as using formula. Next we will do some of all are similar only. So we will do question number 3, number 2. Okay. So here question number 3, number 2. Just see here. All the sums are formula based. Question number 3, number 2, that is root 3x square plus 10x. 3 number 2. Root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 equal to 0. Root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 equal to 0. So again we have to use formula. So a, that is given to be root 3, b, that is 10, c, that is minus 8 root 3. Okay. So x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, or x equal to minus b, that is 10 plus or minus root over b square 10 square minus 4 a, that is root 3, c is minus 8 root 3 by 2a is root 3. X equal to minus 10 plus or minus root over b square, that is 100, minus minus plus, okay, 8 into 4 32, 32 and into root 3 into root 2, that is 3, 32 into 3, that is 96 by 2 into a, 2 root 3. Okay. So x equal to minus 10 plus or minus root over 196 by 2 root 3, x equal to minus 10 plus or minus this one we can write minus 10 plus or minus root over 196 is 14 by 2 root 3. So we can write x equal to minus 10 minus 14 by 2 root 3. X equal to minus 10 plus 14 by 2 root 3. X equal to minus 24 by 2 root 3. X equal to minus plus 4 by 2 root 3. X equal to minus 12 by root 3. X equal to 2 by root 3. Sometimes there may be variation answer, so we rationalize the denominator. Okay, x equal to minus 12 root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So x equal to minus 12 root 3 by 3, or x equal to minus 4 root 3, and this side x equal to 2 by root 3 into root 3 into root 3, or x equal to 2 root 3 by 3. So this is the answer for question number 3, number 2. Let me check the answer. Just see. Exercise 5.3, 3 number 2. Okay. So 2 root 3 by 3 and minus 4 root 3. Okay. So same thing we have done, only the changes was here. That is, whenever irrational part is there in the denominator, just rationalize it. Okay. Next. Next we will come to question number 4, number 2. 4 number 2. It is given that x plus 1 by x plus 3. X plus 1 by x plus 3, that is equal to 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 by 2x plus 3. So we will cross multiply. First of all, we have to bring this equation in quadratic form. So x plus 1 into 2x plus 3 equal to x plus 3 into 3x plus 2. So when we will multiply this one, we will get 2x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 3 equal to, this is 3x square plus 2x plus 9x plus 6. 2x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 3x square plus 11x plus 6. 0 equal to x square 11 minus 5, 6x, 6 minus 3, that is 3. Okay. So here when we are multiplying this one, you see is x plus 1 into 2x plus 3, 3x plus 2 into x plus 3. So here this is 2x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 3. This is 3x square plus 2x plus 9x plus 6. So this is 2x square plus 5x plus 3, 3x square plus 11x plus 6. 3x square minus 2x square, that is x square, 11 minus 5, that is 6x, and 6 minus 3, that is 3. Now see here, this a that is equal to 1, b that is 6, c equal to minus 3. So x that is equal to minus b, we will use the formula x equal to, this is minus b plus 2a, minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, or x equal to minus 6 plus or minus root over b square, 6 square minus 4ac, that is minus 3 by 2a, that is 1. X equal to minus 6 plus or minus root over 36 plus 12 by 2. X equal to minus 6 plus or minus root over 48 by 2. X equal to minus 6 plus or minus 16, that is 4 root 3 by 2. So You will get x equal to minus 6 plus 4 root 3 by 2, and x equal to minus 6 minus 4 root 3 by 2. From here we can take 2 common. This will be minus 3 plus 2 root 3 by 2. Here you take minus 2 common, it will be better. This will be 3 minus 2 root 3. Okay. From here minus 2 common, 3 plus 2 root 3 by 2. So this is x equal to minus 3 minus 2 root 3, and here x equal to minus 3 plus 2 root 3. This is our required answer. Okay. So here this is 2, x equal to minus 3 minus 2 root 3. Okay. So simply we are using the formula. Now we'll come to question number 5. Let's see question number 5. Question number 5, it is given that find number 1. A x square plus 1, a into x square plus 1 equal to a square plus 1, a square plus 1 into x. Okay. So first of all, ax square plus a square plus 1 into x. So first of all, we will bring it in one side so that it may be in quadratic form. So this is ax square minus a square plus 1 into x plus a equal to 0. By using middle term factor we can directly do, but here we will use formula. So here a, we will use capital A, that is small a. B is minus of a square plus 1. Okay. C, that is a. So this equation becomes x equal to minus b. We are taking capital so that you may not get confused. Okay. B square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal to minus b, that is minus a square plus 1 plus or minus root over b square minus of a square plus 1 the whole square minus 4 a c, that is also a. Okay. By 2a, 2 in place of a, that is a. So this will be x equal to a square plus 1 plus or minus root over a square plus 1 the whole square minus 4a square by 2a. Now here there will be a problem. See here. This is a square, this is a plus b the whole square minus 4a square. You just think this one here to be 1. Okay. So this is what? A plus b the whole square minus 4ab. So a plus b the whole square minus 4ab, this can be written as a minus b the whole square. So this is a square plus 1 plus or minus this one. This is a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. So this complete can be written as a minus b the whole square by 2 into a. So x equal to a square plus 1 plus or minus, this is a square minus 1 by 2. So here x equal to a square plus 1 plus a square minus 1 by 2a. X equal to a square plus 1 minus a square minus 1 by 2a. X equal to a square plus 1 plus a square minus 1 by 2a. X equal to a square plus 1 minus a square plus 1 by 2. This will cancel out. This will cancel out. X equal to 2a square by 2a, x equal to a. This is x equal to 2 by 2a, x equal to 1 by a. So the only problem was in this part, that is a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. Okay. Rest you can solve it easily. Next sum. Let's see which sum we will do. 5 number 2 also we will do for you. Let's see. In 5 number 2 it is given that 4x square minus 4x, 4x square minus 4ax minus plus it is a square minus b square equal to 0. Now here again a that is 4, b that is minus 4a and c that is a square minus b square. X equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal to minus b that is minus 4a plus or minus root over b square minus 4a the whole square minus 4, a that is 4, c that is a square minus b square. Okay. By 2a that is 4. So x equal to 4a plus or minus root over 16a square plus 16a square minus 16a square plus 16b square by 8. X equal to 4a plus or minus this is root over 16b square by 8. This is 4a plus or minus 4b by. So it is quite easy. X equal to 4 common, a plus or minus b by 8, x equal to a plus b, a plus or minus b by 2. So x equal to a plus b by 2, x equal to a minus b by 2. Okay. Next term, that is rest all that is in quadratic form only. So next term what we will do, that is question number 8. Question number 8 is very much important. In ICC exam it is coming of 3 marks. Okay, 3 marks question is coming from question number 8. Let's see what is given. Here it is given that solve the quadratic equation for x and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Now see here. Number 1, x square minus 5x minus 10. This is 8 number 1. X square minus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. We have to find the value of x and determine the value of x and we have to give the answer correct to 2 decimal places. So here a that is 1, b is minus 5, c that is minus 10. Okay. So here x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal to minus b that is minus 5 plus or minus root over b square that is minus 5 the whole square minus 4 ac that is minus 10 by 2a. X equal to 5 plus or minus root over 25 plus 40 by 2. X equal to 5 plus or minus root over 65 by 2. Now listen here. Here it is given correct to 2 decimal places. Okay. Now why it is here? it is the root over 65 and we don't know the square root of 65. Either you find the square root by division or in examination square root will be provided, square logbook table will be provided from where you can find the square root. Okay, so here you will find the square root, that is square root of 65. It is 8.0622 I am taking. Okay, x equal to 5 plus or minus 8.0622 by 8.0622 by 2. As it is set 2 decimal place, we have taken up to 3 or 4 place, whatever is there, and then we will simplify. X equal to 5 plus 6.020 8.062 or 3 decimal place only you take. Okay, by 2 and x equal to 5 minus 8.062 by 2. So this is 13.062 by 2. This one is minus 3.062 by 2. Or x, that is equal to 2 6 are 12. Okay. 531, x equal to minus 1.531. Okay, so 6.531 minus 1.531, we require an answer up till 2 decimal place, so 6.53. This one is minus 1.53. Okay, so first of all we will find the square root. As it is at 2 decimal place, you find the square root up till 3 decimal place. After that you divide it, you are getting the answer in 3 decimal place, and then you approximate it into 2 decimal place. Okay, sometimes they may ask about significant figure. Related to this, one more sum we will do to significant figure. Question number 10. Okay, 9 is similar to question number 8. Okay, let's do question number 10, number 2 we will do. Okay. Here, in question number 10, number 2, it is given that x minus 18 by x equal to 6. We have to find the value of x correct to two significant figures. Okay. So here, first of all, we will bring this one in quadratic form. X, this is LCM, x square minus 18 equal to 6. X square minus 18 equal to 6x. X square minus 6x minus 18 equal to 0. Okay, so this was not in quadratic form. We have taken the LCM, x square minus 18 equal to 6, x square minus 18 equal to 6x. So x square minus 6x minus 18 equal to 0. Now, a, that is 1, b, that is minus 6, c, that is minus 18. So x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal to minus 6 plus or minus root over b square minus 6 the whole square minus 4a into c by 2 into a. So x equal to 6 plus or minus root over is 36 plus this one is 18 into 2 36, 36 into 2 40, 72 divided by 2. X equal to 6 plus or minus root over 108 by 2. X equal to 6 plus or minus, here 108, when you take the LCM of 108, just see here, 2 this is 54, 2 this is 27, 3 it is 9, 3 it is 3. So here you are getting 2 pairs, we can write this one as 6 root 3 by 2. X equal to, you can take 6 common, 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2. X equal to 3, 1 plus or minus root 3. Now root 3 value is 1.732. All of you know. So this is 3, 1 plus root 3, and second one is 3, 1 minus root 3. So x, that is 3, 1 plus 1.732, x equal to 3, 1 minus 1.732. X equal to 3 into 2.732, x equal to 3 into minus 0.732. So this x, that is 3 to the 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 7 is 21, 2 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2 8. And this one is minus 3 to the 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 7 is 21, 1 2 3. So yeah, the value of x is 8.196, second one is minus 2.196. We have to find the answer up to two significant figures. Two significant figures. Significant figure means what? We will not consider a decimal, okay? So here, now it is 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figure. First of all, we will approximate this one, 8.1. So 196 can be written as 8.2. 19 can be approximately written as 2. Here, minus 2.2. So this is what? 8 is 1, and 2 is 1, other. So these two significant figure, they are also two significant figure. Listen here, 8.196, and this is minus 2.196. So this is, here it is 4 significant figure, here it is 4 significant figure. So first of all, approximate this one. 96, it will be what? 10. Here it will be 0, 1, 0 will come here. So when you will approximate this one, 19 will be approximately 20, that is 2. Okay, here 1 9 approximation, that is 20, that is 2. So here two significant figures. Followed. Similarly, it is question number 10 and 11 is also similar to this one. Brief description I will show about significant figures. Now see here. Okay, do up to there. Next class we will deal with the next exercise, that is nature of the roots. Okay, so complete exercise 5.3. If there is any doubt, you ask in the comment. I will write in the comment section. I will clear it out. Okay.